पेडणेचो दयानंद मांद्रेकाराची रोटरॅक क्लब पेडणेचो अध्यक्ष म्हूण वारखंड पेडणे हांगा जाल्ल्या रोटरॅक क्लबाच्या कार्यक्रमान रोटरॅक क्लबाचो गव्हर्नर कुलकर्णीन जाहीर केला. वारखंड हांगा जाल्ल्या रोटरॅक क्लबाच्या कार्यक्रमाक म्हापश्याचो अध्यक्ष अजय मेनन, प्रकाश पिलनकार आनी हेर हजर आसले.
On this occasion, I would also like to remind all my fellow workers, the charter founder members of Pedne Rotary Club, that we are now the members of World Family. Rotary International, the largest and the oldest organization in the world, which was founded in the year 1905 at Chicago, America. Do not forget, nearly 1 crore 20 lakhs, more than 1 crore 20 lakhs Rotarians are silently working for the welfare of the community. And we now are the silent social workers, true social workers, because the motto of our organization is service above self. And we are the part of it. Every Rotarian has got the worldwide identity. And as all my members of the Rotary Club are young, except me, very young and energetic, I can assure you all that the work will always continue in Pedne Taluka. We will march ahead slowly but firmly.